Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to create a form page on GetResponse, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to quickly set up a form that helps capture leads. And by the way, if you're new to GetResponse, you can get a 30-day free trial. Just use the link in the description box below. Now, let's jump right in. First things first, log into your GetResponse account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the Tools, and then click on Forms and Pop-ups. Now that we're in the Forms and Pop-ups section, go ahead and click Create button on the right. You'll be given a couple of options here. You can either choose an embedded form or a pop-up form. For this tutorial, I'll stick with the embedded form, so let's select that and move on to the next step. Now it's time to choose a template. GetResponse has a ton of pre-designed options, making it super easy to get started. Whether you want something simple or more vibrant, there's something for everyone. I'll select this clean, modern template, click on Use Template. Here's where you can really make the form your own. Click on the text to edit it, change fonts, colors, and even add your logo. You can also add fields like name, email, and any other custom fields your business might need. If you want to change the background or upload an image, you can do that too. Once you're happy with the look and feel, go ahead and click Next. You'll be prompted to configure your form settings. Here, you can decide what happens after someone fills out the form. Do they get a custom thank you message, or are they redirected to a specific URL? Also, don't forget to choose which email list they'll be added to. The final step is to publish your form. You can either embed it on your website by copying the HTML code or create a standalone page that GetResponse will host for you. Whichever option you choose, your form will be live and ready to collect leads. And that's it. You've just created a form page on GetResponse in just a few minutes. Don't forget, if you want to try out GetResponse for free, you can grab the 30-day free trial using the link in the description below. If this tutorial helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.